Culture. Popularity over time, they had a significant influence on...
Hey, you're finally awake.
Hi! Today I'm gonna have to show you a demonstration on how to do something. Let me think. Oh, okay. I found out about this new game just a while ago. Let me show you how to play it. Well, that didn't work. You know what? Valorant. Let me teach y'all something that's a little bit more near and dear to my heart. Let me teach y'all how to code. Since I don't have much time today with you guys, I'm going to keep this brief. Today we're going to be using Java for today's code. Java is a widely used programming language that can pretty much do about anything. Disclaimer, it can do almost everything, however it can't do it as efficiently as other programs can. First things first, we're going to have to find a software that'll let us make and run Java code. So what you want to do is find a program that fits your preference. Personally, I use JGrasp or Eclipse, depending on how I'm feeling that day. Am I happy and in the mood to get flashbanged by my computer? Then I'll use Eclipse because it's in light mode and I'm too lazy to change that. Am I feeling sad time, grind time? Then I'll use JGrasp because it's in dark mode. And it also reminds me that I have overdue code assignments for my comp sci class, so I'm always busy with my other classes, get off my back. For today, we're going to be using Eclipse. To install this program, you're going to want to go to the Eclipse Foundation website and download that bad boy that correlates with your operating system. Once you have that installed, extract that, then go to the Oracle webpage to download the second thing you need. Like the Eclipse program, you're going to need to download the Oracle program according to your operating system. Now that we have installation out of the way, let's get to coding it. I personally believe the best way to learn all this geek stuff is through actual application and playing around with things on your own, so I'm not going to go way too in-depth with the intricacies of Java. First, open your selected program, then go to File and hover over New. Next thing you want to do is hover over Java Project and select it. A project is essentially a collection of Java code that we're going to write. Let's give this dude man a name. I'll call him Gilbert. You literally don't need to touch any of this ish, bro. Everything here is fine. Everything is fine here. Go ahead, press finish, and pop! On the left, you can now see in the directory the new Java project we just made. So, what you want to do is open up Gilbert and right-click this folder that says src. Go ahead and hover over New and click on Class. So, we gotta name this dude guy again. So I'll name him after a good friend of mine. Call him Bartholomew. Yeah. After we name the friend, we're going to now select public static void main string args. This is important. When you start learning Java programming, this is the first method you're ever going to encounter. So once that's done, click finish. As mentioned before, the real way to really learn how to code is to play around in this program, and you'll start picking up on things as time goes on. So what you want to do is click on line 6 right over here, tab once, and start typing out the word system with a capital S, put a period after that, then type out. Hit that with another period, then type out print ln. After that, you're going to put double parentheses, and inside of that, you're going to put double quotations. And you could put in anything really, but I'm going to put in hello world. All right. And to wrap things up, we're going to have to put a semicolon at the end of that line. Semicolon is a part of syntax in Java. It shows the compiler where the instruction ends and where the instruction begins. Next thing you want to do is save and run your program. A shortcut that most people use is Control S on Windows, or if you're quirky and you own a Mac, it's Command S.
And if you are on Mac, why?
Once you hit save, hit the big green button at the top of the screen. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a console box with your printed text, Hello World. If you figured it out by now, you can basically put anything in the quotes and it'll print it in the box. So honestly, this is where I ask you to go ham and explore what you could put inside these quotes.
So congrats! You just wrote your first code. I'm so happy that y'all learned something. Good luck to y'all in your future Zoom University classes, and thank you so much for staying. See ya.